Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you an exercise for today. This is for legs, back mats, and arm mats. Lagi ko siya ginagawa guys, araw-araw. Ito na naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. May pwede kang pose lang ng ganyan. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47,